Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Linda and I do post about fashion, so if you're into that sort of thing, do consider subscribing to my channel and hit the like if you enjoy this video. So today's video is actually something that I didn't think I would be filming, but then I was so curious about this when I was looking for it, so I figured maybe this could help someone out. So apparently there is this really popular Michael Kors shoes called the Olympia. And normally I'm not that huge on sneakers, but I really wanted something comfortable and versatile, mostly for the airport though, but that I could wear with a lot of different outfits. And I found this, it's kind of like one of those like ugly dad sneakers, like a chunky sneaker, but I feel like it's so sleek at the same time that I had to have it. And it was so hard to find. First I saw it on Macy's, and when I went to check out, it was sold out. So then I had to find it on the Michael Kors website, and they were sold out in the most popular colors, white and black. They have, I think, at least 10 different color varieties on the Michael Kors website. Plus, they're sold like everywhere. I think I found them on like Saks, Neiman Marcus, like almost every other website I could find them, but they were always sold out in almost every size, almost every color. And so finally, after people, and I would read the comments, there were people that were like, please bring these back in this size and this color, etc. So I thought, you know what, this sneaker's a lot more popular than I ever could have imagined, and so I ordered 2 of them. Technically I ordered 3, but the original one that I ordered, it was like in a beige color and it had like the MK logo on it. And so right after it arrived, they restocked with the white and the black. So I returned that one immediately. So I don't have it to show. I could just put a picture on screen. But I figured I would unbox the other ones. So my Michael Kors box came, and don't want to show my address. Kind of a big box. Okay. So here's the box. I didn't think I would be excited about a sneaker, but these are gonna be so perfect for the airport. Okay. Oh, sorry. Forgot how to do these. So there's the shoes. And this is the famous Olympia sneaker. Got all of it? Okay. I feel like there's so much in there. And let's take the other one out. It was super easy to return too, the other one. I never wore it. It literally had just arrived when I saw that they restocked these. And so here are the black ones, the first pair. I cannot wait to wear these. These look so comfortable. Let me show you one. So it's got like that super like chunky detail. But of all the chunky shoes out there, I just felt like this one is still very wearable. Like I'm not gonna feel, I don't know, like I'm too trendy or something. I feel like this could still be pulled off years to come, and I'm glad I read and trusted the reviews. The reviews said to size down. Now on sneakers, I'm typically somewhere between 7, 7.5, usually 7. In these, I went with 6.5, I believe. Yep, 6.5, and they fit perfectly because I did try on that first pair that I received and they were absolutely perfect. So I guess if you're in between sizes, size down. That's what worked for me. I did try the other one on with regular socks and they fit perfectly. So I mean, not like a wool sock or something. Maybe then you could size up or normal, I guess. But yeah, otherwise I sized down, and I'm really glad I did by half a size. So 6.5 instead of a 7. And these really fit perfect. It also depends on the brand. I noticed in Michael Kors, their sneakers usually run a little bit big on me. And so yeah. So here is shoe number 1. I absolutely love this. It's so very cute. And then shoe number 2, I already took it out of the box just for the purpose of the video. And this one did not come in the plastic like the other. I'm not sure why. So So this one's the all white. And I love it. It has nothing else on it. This is just so super insanely cute. So here are both shoes. Is that not adorable? I love the fact that it's so simple. I love the fact that it has that heel so it can give me a little bit more height. I'm 5'3", so I could always use a little bit more height, and I just think these are adorable. Absolutely stunning in its simplicity. Michael Kors, job well done. And they are super comfortable since I did try on that first pair, and I absolutely love these. I think they're going to be the perfect travel shoe. I could wear them with dresses since it really doesn't have anything going on. There's like hardly any logo. I mean, if someone's really staring, they're going to see the MK there and there. But other than that, I just love how simple, sleek, and fashionable these are. And of course, still trending. So I really do love these. That wraps up today's video. I do hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think about these sneakers. Am I crazy for buying 2 of them? I had to have them. I thought they were so pretty. They're going to go with so many different airport outfits. I mean, I'm already imagining so many different outfits in my head. But yeah, let me know. I hope you enjoyed it. Do give it a like if you did. Consider subscribing to the channel, and I will catch you all for my next video. Bye.